Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send the feedback in the Clubcard Tesco application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the Maybe Needed section, click on the Send Feedback button. And then click on the Feedback button. And first you have to select the category. So if it's general feedback or you want to report some issue. If it's a general feedback, then you can give like a short description. If you're satisfied with the application, you can just let them know. And then if you're ready, just click on the send button and your message is sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.